Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. D F&B Trainer YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore if you're interested in the world of hospitality and hotel management. We're going to dive deep into the various departments within a hotel and discuss which one is considered the best. So, whether you are a budding hotelier or just curious about the inner workings of hotels, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1, the Front Office Department. First up, we have the Front Office Department. This is often considered the heart of the hotel, as it's the first point of contact for guests. The front desk staff handles check-ins, check-outs, reservations, and concierge services. They ensure a smooth guest experience and set the tone for the entire stay. Segment 2, the Food and Beverage Department. Next, we have the Food and Beverage Department. This department includes restaurants, bars, room service, and catering. The quality of food and service can greatly impact a guest's perception of the hotel. So, if you have a passion for culinary arts and hospitality, this department might be your favorite. Segment 3, the Housekeeping Department. Now, let's talk about the Housekeeping Department. These unsung heroes ensure that guest rooms and public areas are clean, comfortable, and well maintained. A clean hotel is crucial for guest satisfaction, and housekeeping plays a vital role in achieving that. Segment 4, the Sales and Marketing Department. Moving on to the Sales and Marketing Department. They're responsible for promoting the hotel, attracting guests, and increasing revenue. This department's efforts directly impact the hotel's profitability and success. Segment 5, the Human Resources Department. Let's not forget about the Human Resources Department. They handle staffing, training, and employee relations. A motivated and well-trained team is essential for delivering exceptional guest experiences. Segment 6. The Accounting and Finance Department. And now, the Accounting and Finance Department. They manage the hotel's financial aspects, including budgets, payroll, and financial reporting. If you have a knack for numbers and business acumen, this department might be your top choice. Segment 7. The Engineering Department. Lastly, we have the Engineering Department. They oversee the hotel's physical infrastructure and ensure everything is in working order. From HVAC systems to plumbing, they play a crucial role in guest comfort and safety. Conclusion. So, which department is the best in hotel management? The answer depends on your interests, skills, and career goals. Each department is essential, and they all work together to create a memorable guest experience. Whether you're drawn to front-facing roles, culinary arts, finance, or behind-the-scenes maintenance, there's a place for you in hotel management. It's a diverse and rewarding industry, so explore your passions and find your niche. Thanks for joining with Mr. D F&B Trainer YouTube channel today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. We'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe us. Give us a thumbs up over with your valuable comment down there. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Thank you for watching.